Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I want to show you today how we grow some of our squash vertically. This is the North Georgia candy roaster that I showed in a video about hand pollination. And today I'm going to show you how we support it so that, because this is going to get big, so that the weight of this doesn't bog down the vine itself. So what I have here is just a plastic mesh bag. This one was organic something or other, sweet potatoes it looks like, is from years ago. It still has, you can see some string on it from last year. Basically, I'm going to put the squash into the bag. There we go, gently. I don't want to harm her in any way. This is going to get big, so I chose a bigger bag. And then I'm going to use this twist tie to attach it to the PVC pipe hole. There we go. So that is taking some of the weight of the squash off the vine and putting it onto the pole. It helps a lot. It especially helps with, well, any big squash, growing some sugar baby watermelon on the other side of this structure, and that will get supported the same way too. So you can use those bags that you get your oranges or lemons or whatever it is you can't grow out of to help support. And this will kind of attach itself to the bag too, which helps. The tendrils will attach. So there you go. It's one way to grow vertically. Thanks for watching.